Hello kids, let's learn some color names. Orange color, black color, red color, pink color, yellow color, pink color, blue color and green color. A for apple. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. C for cat. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. F for fish. G for grapes. G for grapes. H for hat. H for hat. I for insect. I for insect. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. M for monkey. M for monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. N for nest. N for nest. O for octopus. O for octopus. P for penguin. P for penguin. Q for queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. V for violin. W for whale. W for whale. X for xylophone. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Thank you kids. Thank you for watching.